great day. Today is the day that we're gonna replace our garage door. This one has been here since we moved in about a few years ago, and yeah, it's not looking good. If you look at the condition here, it's pretty much been customized. This one is non-insulated tin, no insulation, no soundproofing. It is chain driven, it's not belt, and it's super loud when you open it. Running on this old system right here. Let's go look at the outside. You can see that this garage door is not even straight anymore. It's actually tilted on the top level, and you can see how there's so much gap every time it rains and it's so windy outside. All that rain goes through, it gets really cold inside. See that gap? It's bad. Yeah, I can pretty much put my finger through there. Yeah, I can't even raise this door up because it's so heavy. And if you look right here, it's been drilled out so that this thing will keep together so it doesn't separate when it moves or when it opens. And it's just pretty much messed up there. So it's pretty much time for a brand new one, and I'm super excited that we're gonna be installing this new one. You see that? Yeah, it's bad. So can't wait for the guys to come here and we'll change it out. The challenge now is I have my car here. It's not operational. I'm working on the engine, so I don't know how we're gonna be able to take this out. I can't lift the garage door up because it's super heavy and won't go up, and I can't take this car out. It's not working, so we'll figure it out. Hopefully the guys will still work on it with the car down, and maybe we can push it out of here and then they can get into here. But I cleared much of the space as possible to make it easier for the guys. And yeah, hopefully I think they're gonna reuse the same brackets there for the railings, but we'll see how it goes. So here's our progress so far. Here are the brand new doors. What's awesome about this, it has this opaque, we went with the opaque glass. You can see that this is the inside part, it's white, but if you look at the back, I'll show it to you later, actually the front is black. So we're going for the mid-century modern look. This is actually, looks like about 1.5 inches thick. And if you look right here, this is actually belt driven. See this? It's made out of rubberish material, and it looks like we got our springs right here. And this is what's gonna be right on the front over there. Move the car out. If you guys don't know, I have actually a second channel, Genevo 9. I do vlogs on my car as well. That's my other hobby, Mitsubishi. That's an Evolution. But anyways, you're not here for my car, you're here for the progress of my home. But yeah, this is actually my first time actually talking about my home. This is a 1970 home, so there's a lot of renovation that I need to do. You can tell that everything here needs a lot of work in this garage, but I want to take you guys into my journey and where I'm going with the future renovation of this home. So this is kind of like just like a vlog that I want to do with you guys so you can follow along the progress. Our guy took out the railings, everything's gone. That old railing's gone. Looks like he's going to be keeping the bracket. He took everything out, exposed this. This is probably going to be next that he's going to be taking out. Can't wait to get that belt in instead of this chain driven I think this is gonna be our new garage door opener. LiftMaster Series Premium 38355. Super excited for this. They said it was super quiet. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, I wish I could have let you guys hear how it sounded like before, but when this was operational, every time I opened the garage door, it sounded like a jet plane was taking off every time. When I leave in the morning, I can't really sneak out because yeah, it's so loud. Hopefully this new garage door opener will make it sound nice so I can sneak out in the morning without waking up the kids. I'm not sponsored by Costco, by the way. I wish I was, but yeah, just letting you guys run through the process. And again, everything that I'm doing in this house, it's temporary. This garage door, I'm looking long term, like what I said. That's why we got the expensive garage door, $5 grand. I'm not meaning to brag or anything, but that might be a lot of money. But again, I'm looking long term because we are going to be reusing this garage door in the future. I'm not fully renovating this garage as of now because we are going to be renovating the whole home. This garage may not even be here. It'll be somewhere else, but I'm planning to keep the garage door to transfer it to our new garage. So I want to document everything that we're doing in this home. Again, this is not my typical video on how to, but I want to show you guys, my fellow subscribers who supported me all the way through. I want to, want you guys to be there or be here throughout this whole transformation of my 1970 home. So yeah, so hopefully you stay tuned and let's get back into the renovation.
Go out here to your keypad. Go ahead and think of a 4-digit PIN number. Don't tell me, just go out there.
Okay.
And when you're ready, let me know. I gotta push a button up here first. Okay, it's programmed.
So what I really love about this is that this is frosted glass. So you can see that it's sunny outside and you get this natural light going inside the garage. That's what I was striving for. The guy gave me 2 remotes. It's the new garage opener. It's the LiftMaster. It's the Security 2.0. This is what it looks like now. It is belt driven. Looks really nice. Way better than what we had before. It was super noisy. And there you have it all installed. We got the coils up in the front. And what's great about this garage door opener is that you can control it anywhere. So close from anywhere, open from anyone, get alerts. So all you gotta do is download this. I haven't downloaded it yet, but I'll get to it in a bit. But you just download the app and you can control this garage. Pretty much it's built in already in this garage door opener. Press this light right here. That light turns on. Yeah, before it was taking 2 rails. I don't know why it was the point of that. And it was actually sitting a little lower. He actually raised it up a little bit so it'll go higher towards the ceiling so we don't waste any rollers. It's like plastic, but probably in the future I'll change it into nylon depending if it'll, void my warranty. This does have warranty, so anytime it gets scratched or anything, I am covered. But this is pretty much what I love about it, is this natural light coming through. and it's beautiful in here. I love the natural light. This is pretty much where I do my videos, as you can see, my mock-up. And that's the point of area that I really love, because, you know, here in Washington, it's so gloomy and we barely get any natural lighting. So all this lighting right here, a lot better, more privacy than before. My old garage door had these windows here, so pretty much anybody can just get a ladder or peek right through inside my garage. But it looks way better. I haven't put the car inside yet. Let's get to the outside. But most importantly, friends, I want you to listen on how quiet this thing is. Maybe this video will not do it justice, but let's open it up right now. As you can see, it is way quieter than before. I finally have an outside door opener. Look at that. You can't see from the inside, but I'll show you later on at nighttime when the lights on the inside is on. We'll see this glowing. Okay, so we have four frosted glass. So that's actual glass. My wife is actually here.
Oh, it's loose.
No, there, you can control it. Go press it. So the garage door is really nice. It's just my casing looks really bad. I gotta paint some of this, repaint everything to make it look presentable and nice, because yeah, I have a nice garage door, but I have jacked up trims. So yeah, I just recalk it, repaint it, make it look nice. Yeah, that's what, my car's still in the way. I gotta figure out how to put that in, but that's what it looks like. Our windows, we have black trim windows right there, and we're trying to go with the black and white theme, and we're trying to match it right there. Sorry for this damage area, but there you have it. What I didn't show you are these sensors. So these are for safety. So just in case, you know, one of my son runs out while it's closing, let's see if it works. Okay, so let's push this down, close it. I'm gonna just interfere with the sensor, and there you go, it went back up and it starts blinking. So perfect. Here's what it looks like at nighttime. I have my lights inside turned on, and you can see that there are, what I like about it is the lights are, you know, glowing from the inside. Friends, the installation is complete. I hope you enjoyed the whole vlogging / video on how it was installed. It's a little different on how I usually do my videos. It's not a how-to, but it's more of like a transformation. As you can see, it is day and night difference from the sound. You could see that, or you could hear that it's quiet. There's a little bit of rattle from the rollers. Maybe I can find a way to actually dampen that later in the future videos. But yeah, I'm more than impressed and happy. I love how the natural lighting is. This natural light just going out here, and as you can see here in Washington, it's just super gloomy most of the time. So as much natural light inside here is great. The reason why I spent this much on this garage door, if you know, just being honest with you, I spent over $5,000 out the door to get the door and the installation, and I went through COSTCO. I'm not sponsored by COSTCO, if you're, you know, asking me. Wish I was, but unfortunately no. I just want to show you my experience. I went through them. They provided me with a contractor and the manufacturer. Leave me in the comment section below if you want to know all this information, or email me and I can get you all that info. But this is just through COSTCO, and it went by really well. It took about, from the day I ordered it, took about 2 months for them to actually get all the materials and get it over here. So it took about 2 months for it to get delivered and installed, and today was the day. Again, for renovation wise, the reason why I spent so much on this door is because when we do end up re-renovating the home and we move the garage somewhere else, I'm planning to keep the door for my future renovation project. So we're thinking about having a detached garage or moving it elsewhere, and we're gonna carry this door with it. Okay, so I don't want to spend any more on the garage door. So we want to plan for the future, and that's why we ended up spending this much. Overall, friends, let me know in the comment section down below what you think. Leave a big thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a, press a dislike if you don't like it. But we're looking for the more modern, contemporary style. So my wife actually helped me pick this out. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful or if you found it interesting, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe and notification bell, because I will continue on with these vlog types videos just so you can see where my house is currently at and what we are doing currently for our renovation step by step. I want to show you guys our journey throughout our process of renovating this 1970 home. Okay, so stick with us. Hope you like the video. And yeah, there's my son. Okay. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next one.